Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change Instagram notification sound on iPhone. First, let's open up our Instagram app and click on your profile icon at the bottom right. And from here, click on the three bar at the top right. And we should get to our settings page. In here, let's tap on notifications and go to messages. And make sure that you have turned on everything on here to make sure that you will get notifications from all your messages that come from Instagram. After that, let's get out of Instagram and let's go to our settings. In here, let's scroll down a bit and tap on sounds and haptics. And we will then go to default alerts, and this is where you can choose the one you like, and the Instagram notification sound will change, but this might also change all the notification sound for all the other apps that use this default alert tone and not just Instagram. So currently there's no direct way to specifically change it only for Instagram, but that would be the turnaround for it. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.